Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Woohoo! This is my second video and I hope you enjoy. Today we're gonna be making a summer drink with pineapple and ginger, and I hope you will love it. It's so refreshing. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share, and click that notification bell so that you will be notified with another exciting menu or drink. Thank you for watching again. Enjoy! My channel, it's Rose's Kitchen, and I hope today you are doing grand. I am going to make pineapple drink with ginger in it. The other day you saw me, you're gonna see the photos of me cutting the pineapple, and these are the skin from the pineapple. This is ginger cut up, and I am going to blend it and put it in the pot, which is boiling nicely. So we're gonna put them in and turn it off and let it seep, right? So there we go. I'm gonna turn this pot down, get that down low. We're gonna put these in so they can go on and bring out all the flavors of the pineapple in there. I use about a half pot of water. It's about 12 cups of water, 24 cups of water into that. I don't know the pint, but we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna let that, we're gonna cover it up and let it go and boil, because when we put the ginger in, we're gonna let it seep in instead of boil up, so we get the good flavor. This is gonna get loud. Blend the ginger, and this is some of the cuttings from the pineapple, the hard part in the middle. I cut it up and blend it, so we get more flavor, more of the juice from the pineapple. About a cup of ginger, and I cut it up so we don't, you know, spoil the blade. The ginger with the pineapple with some water. Do a little at a time so we don't mess it up. Okay. I'll put this in here. Put one more little water in here. I'm just blending this up to get more flavor. This is the ginger. What a cup of ginger, because I like ginger. You know, ginger is good for your ginger. You know, I'm gonna put a little bit more water in there. Give me a minute, please. Because you want the water to cover over what you have in here. Every now and then you have to stop it and then you start again. Don't just keep the motor running. I have my bullet when it first came out in the, I think it's 90, 99, 98, 99, somewhere there. And I still have it because you use it, you know, wisely, and you keep your electronics equipment going for many years to come. So I'm pouring this in here. I'm gonna put a little water. Wash out this thing. I love to not waste anything. Here. So here you go. This is what it looks like. And then, you know, you're gonna let it stay and boil it up one more time and then turn it off. See? You can smell the ginger. You know, you get all the flavoring out of it. And I'm gonna let this sit for the whole entire day and it's seeping, you know, get all the flavors out. And then I will come back and show you the end result. Okay, so we're gonna cover this up and then turn off the fire. Thank you. See you later. Hi everyone. We're back with our pineapple ginger drink, and you know we did it boiling and I let it sit overnight. So now I strained it, and this is what came off of it with the ginger. I blend the ginger out and then we let it sit overnight, and so I strain it, and this is what it looks like, right? So follow me over here. This is, I restrained it and it's in this. I sweeten it. You know, you have to sweeten it with this cane sugar. I want you to see it, and you're gonna sweeten to taste, okay? And one of the things that we had to it is you could buy pineapple drink in a can to give it some more, you know, flavor and texture. But I found out if we buy the pineapple slice with the juice, you blend it and you get it all pulverized in like a puree, and then you mix it with this, so it gives it it's not so watery, but it brings up the taste better. So I found out if I do this and add it to it, it makes it taste better. So you sweeten it to taste. I use the cane sugar, and you sweeten it to taste, and then you just add your ice, which I'm gonna do, and we're gonna taste. You get ice. Okay, I'm gonna get the spoon out. I'm gonna pour some in this pitcher here. Easy access. And I'm gonna pour it on my ice. So if you want, you can leave some of the ginger, the pineapple slices, and you can top it with it. But this is nice and cool. And I'm gonna taste it. Yeah, you could taste the ginger, and you could definitely taste the pineapple into it. So this is, another easy way to make your drink. You're having a party, they will love this. It's cool, it's refreshing when you serve it, and they will love this drink. Those who can take ginger. If you don't want to put ginger in it, you don't have to, but ginger really brings the flavor out much better. And cheers! Good. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me how it is, try it out and let me know how you're doing. And click that bell, so when I'm uploading something, another meal, another drink, another whatever, that you will get it. Okay, see you again in the rising. Cheers.